Hello. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use a tool called GoReact for simultaneous interpreting. GoReact is a web-based, commercially available tool which is being provided for free until June 30th to universities and their students. This is the GoReact dashboard. Let's create a new assignment. We'll give it a name and select the assignment type. For simultaneous interpreting assignments, you'll want to pick stimulus. In a stimulus assignment, students see a prompt and their video and audio is recorded live as they're reacting to that prompt. In this case, they'll be interpreting along with the video. This is useful for both spoken languages and sign languages. We can select when the assignment will be available, we'll pick today, and when it will be due, we'll pick tomorrow. You can determine if you'd like the assignment to be graded, and if it is a test, you can select single recording attempt, and your student will only be able to try this one time. Under recording and feedback privacy, you decide who gets to see the recording and who can provide feedback. So you can make it so that students can self-assess, so that their peers can provide feedback, or so that the teacher can provide feedback, or any combination thereof. There's also additional rubrics and tools available. Finally, you need to select the source media. It can either be media provided by the instructor or media that the students themselves upload. That would be the presenter selected option, but we'll go with instructor selected. The prompt can be a video that you record live, a file that you upload, or something from YouTube. We'll go to YouTube. Now I've already picked out a video. This is Pedro Sanchez talking about coronavirus. We'll paste in the link here. Sanchez speech on coronavirus, just giving it a little title. And we click Select Media. Then we click Create Assignment. Now, I am going to interpret for about 30 seconds to a minute so you can see what it looks like. Let's click Start Assignment. I'll type my name and click Record.
Buenas noches. Comparezco de nuevo para cumplir con mi deber de informar sobre la marcha del combate contra la pandemia del coronavirus cuando se cumple una semana desde el anuncio de la declaración del estado de alarma. Estos 7 días hemos visto cómo todos los países del mundo, uno tras otro, sufrían el embate de esta pandemia. Hemos visto cómo se cumplían los peores pronósticos y todos se aproximaban a escenarios de auténtica calamidad. Hemos visto cómo todos los gobiernos, sin excepción alguna, han ido adoptando medidas extremas para proteger la salud de los ciudadanos y salvaguardar también sus economías. Nuestro país también está soportando la emergencia sanitaria más grave del último siglo, una catástrofe para la que la humanidad no estaba preparada, pese a los avisos de las pandemias sufridas en las últimas décadas como el ébola o como el SARS.
So we'll stop the recording there. And now we can go back in and listen.
Buenas noches. Comparezco de nuevo para cumplir con mi deber de informar sobre la marcha del combate.
As soon as we start typing, you can see that it pauses. So I'm providing a comment in writing. And I hit enter, and my comment is saved, and the playback resumes.
Combate contra la pandemia del coronavirus cumple una semana desde el anuncio de la declaración del estado de alarma.
If I'd like to record a video feedback, I just click the video button, and I can hit record here. Estado de alarma is quite tricky in English because we might not have the same states of emergencies. I'd recommend that you do some research on this and figure out what the best translation is. I click Finish.
Hace días hemos visto cómo todos los países del mundo, uno tras otro, sufrían el embate de esta pandemia. Hemos visto
And you can see now that my video is here, and I can click to play it back. Estado de alarma is quite tricky. Of course, at any time, I can click on a timecode to go to that point in the video. So this was a short introduction to how you can use the GoReact tool for simultaneous interpreting assignments and for providing asynchronous feedback on them, that is, feedback after the assignment has been recorded.